Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix PC reset no changes were made this kind of error message, and this is for the can't reset your PC. When a factory reset crash at the specific percentage and reverse itself with the message there was a problem resetting your PC, no changes made, it means the Windows installation image file or boot sector partition are heavily corrupted. Let's see how to fix this one. So the first method is turn off the Windows recovery environment and turn it back on. To do that, you just simply go to the search bar, type cmd, make sure run it as administrator, select yes when the pop-up appears. You need to type ReAgentC, ReAgentC space / disable and hit the enter button. Once you see the success message, type the following command to turn it back on and rebuild the configuration data. ReAgentC space / enable and hit the hit button. Then you need to restart your PC by just go to start menu, power icon, restart option. If that is not working, you need to repair the system image locally. To do that, again you need to go to search bar, type cmd, run as administrator. Then you need to type dism.exe space / online space / clean up dash image, sorry about that, image like this, space / restore health and hit the enter button. Once that hit the 100%, you need to again type this command sfc space / scan now and hit enter. Then this will fix your this will do the scanning and fix your issues. Then after you can start the reset now. And the next method is you can rename the system and software registry Hives. So as usual, you need to open command prompt as an administrator. Then after you need to type ren space your Windows installation drive / /Windows / system32 / config / system space system.001. This is rename the system file and hit enter. Once it is done, again you need to type ren space c / Windows / system32 / config / software space software.001. Now software also renamed. Then after you need to close the command prompt tab, start menu, restart your PC, then try to reset again. And the fourth method is bypass the local reset using an in-place upgrade. To do that, you can go to your browser, type Windows 10 download, hit enter, go to the official Windows website, scroll down and download the Windows creation tool. I already downloaded that one. By using that tool you can follow the general process. It asks to upgrade, it asks is you need to upgrade your PC, just select that one and you can download the Windows 10 or Windows 11 ISO file using that one, and you can install using your pen drive, or by default itself you can install Windows again. So this method will be fix your issue, and I hope you enjoy this video.